lie, I missed the whole Super Bowl. That's Sudi. That's a beauty right there. She pretty. Anyways, I just got on there, so I go, and then post it on my page. Anyways, what I was saying, cause my page really supposed to be deactivated. So y'all like something else. How I was really vibing so much love. Sleep when people done wrote me out like, yeah. Kanye a real one. You know why you a real one? Cause like I'm some whole kinda like Kanye the only still did it cause he know he ain't gay. A lot of the other look at me. I done clean out. A lot of the times, like, see, even my old girl be telling me cut my beard, the mustache. What the you trying to do right now? That my go out. God, I don't give a a lot of time. Like I don't be giving a up there. Be thinking like, oh, looking crazy and all that. I don't ever like that. Like what when I clean up real nice. When I clean up real nice, it's a different story. Come from the other corner, so I don't know for big on handsome or not. In how why Kanye, cause like he know what it feel like. He know what it feel like. Feel like people be on bullshit. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of be around they so scared that it come out and say I butt. They got butt. Why? Like don't want no ties to them. You know what I mean? So I'm pretty sure the feds and probably like sees all that boy accounts and all that like that. So like Kanye just did some real shit. Like, you know what? I mean, like I'm gonna do a collab with you so bro can get some money. And 2025 big year for Gemini's. You heard me? Kanye, yeah, Kendrick Lamar, President Trump. It's like a baby. That's a Jag truck over there. I'm gonna go tell the little cheerleader go buy my baby just a Jag.